In this video I'm going to show you how to buy MagicCraft. MagicCraft is a new cryptocurrency that's used in a game, and the game is called MagicCraft. Its founder is James, also known as the Stock Guru, and we also have some other famous YouTubers in the team. So let's get in how to buy this. First, you will need to have a crypto wallet. So if you don't have a crypto wallet yet, what you're going to do is go to the App Store and you're going to search for Trust Wallet. So I already got this, but if you don't have it, type in Trust Wallet and click on download. In my case it will say open because I already got it. So once you've downloaded the app, you of course need to deposit some money. So you're going to click on buy, and you need to buy BNB Smart Chain. So there are two different BNBs. So you have the regular BNB, but this is the wrong one. You need the Smart Chain BNB, so the top one. And here you can deposit any amount you like. I'm just going to deposit $50. That's the minimum. So click next, and you can pay with Apple Pay, and if you have Android, I'm sure you can pay with Google Pay as well, or Samsung Pay. And once you've done that, all you need to do is wait for the payment to arrive inside your wallet. Now this may take a while. It says this takes between a few minutes and a few hours. So thanks for your patience. So hopefully this will arrive very soon so we continue the video. But otherwise I just stop the video and record a new video once the deposit is there. So it took about a minute to arrive, and here it is. So if we check Smart Chain, we can see the deposit has arrived. So now what you will need to do is go to your browser and open up Pancakeswap.finance. So in the top right corner you will see Connect Wallet. So click on Connect Wallet and then press on Trust Wallet. Now you will need to confirm your Trust Wallet, but because I've already done it, it won't show up. But for you, you will need to continue and confirm that you're connected to Pancakeswap. Okay, once you've done that, you go back to the Pancakeswap and go to BNB, and here you can see your balance. So in my case it says 0.101235 right there. So I'm going to try if I can max it out and use all my balance. Now sometimes it won't work because of the transaction fees, but we can try it. And we're going to swap that to MCRT. So here you type in MCRT. That's the ticker symbol for MagicCraft. And here you can see how many MCRT you will get. So press on swap. And once you've done that, you need to wait for a second. Yep, there it goes. Okay, and then you're going to confirm. So yeah, here it says you don't have enough Smart Chain. So okay, go back to Pancakeswap and just use the max button. So that's because of the transaction fees. It won't allow you to use your whole balance. So just type in or press on the max button, and there you can see. And try again, confirm swap. Then it opens up your Trust Wallet and you confirm the transaction. Yes, it's confirmed. And now the final step. You're going to copy the address that's in the description down below. That's your MagicCraft wallet address. So I've got it here on my phone in my notes. So I'm gonna copy this, but you also find it in the description down below, like I said. And you're going to go back to your Trust wallet and tap on the icon in the top right corner, and here you can see all your tokens. So as you can see, you can already see MagicCraft in my wallet, but in your wallet it won't be there. So scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Add Custom Token. And in the contract address here, you're going to paste the code that's in the description below this video. And also important to change the network to the Smart Chain network instead of Ethereum, and then fill in the rest and hit save. Once you've done that, go all the way to the top and there should be the MagicCraft token. So once it's there, you're going to press the button that is green, so it's on, and now you can see all your MCRT tokens are there. And this is how you buy MCRT with Pancakeswap and Trust Wallet. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm glad to help you out.